Have you ever heard of sous vide cooking? It's this incredible technique where you vacuum seal your food in a bag and then cook it in a water bath at a precise temperature for an extended period of time. The result? Perfectly cooked, tender, and juicy meat every single time. It's like magic in the kitchen. And then there's molecular gastronomy. This is where you take traditional cooking methods and turn them on their head. You might use liquid nitrogen to freeze ingredients instantly, or create foams and gels out of unexpected ingredients. It's all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen and creating dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. But my personal favorite creative cooking technique has to be smoking. There's just something so primal and satisfying about cooking food over an open flame, letting the smoke infuse it with incredible flavor. Whether you're using a traditional smoker, a stovetop smoker, or even just a smoking gun, the results are always mouth-watering. I love experimenting with different types of wood chips to see how they can enhance the flavor of different meats and vegetables. Hickory for a rich, smoky flavor, applewood for a hint of sweetness, or even cherry wood for a touch of fruity undertones. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about fermentation. This ancient technique has been used for centuries to preserve food and create unique flavors. From sauerkraut to kimchi to kombucha, fermentation adds a depth of flavor and complexity that you just can't get with any other method. So whether you're a sous vide enthusiast, a molecular gastronomy aficionado, a smoking aficionado, or a fermentation fanatic, there's no shortage of creative cooking techniques to explore. The kitchen truly is a playground for the adventurous cook, and the possibilities are endless.